Are you thinking of buying a home but don't know where to start? Let's look at two options available to you. We've got pre-owned homes, also known as resale, and new construction. Hi, I'm Tanya Kosmini from Homes by Sam and Tanya and Florida Homes Realty and Mortgage, and I'm here to help you with that process. There are many pros and cons of each option, and today I'm going to walk you through a few of each. Let's start with an existing home. One great feature is that typically you've got window coverings, fencing, landscaping, maybe a pool's already been put in, and that's all included in the price. Typically the home is in more of an established neighborhood. You'll see more lush trees and landscapes. A negative is that the home could be older. You might have to consider repairs, the age of the appliances, the plumbing, the roof, and consider if they need to be replaced, and that's going to go into your bottom line. On a new home, you don't have to worry about any of the systems, the roof, the plumbing, the appliances. That's one of the big pros of buying a new home, is that you know that everything will be built up to the newest, safest building codes. The finishes and upgrades can typically be customized to you and your taste if purchased early enough in the building process. Another pro is that new construction homes are move-in ready so that you won't be spending time doing any upgrading before moving in. Also, a new construction con is, which is a big one, is in regards to your budget, is that it's super easy to overspend on upgrades and build a home that might be overpriced in the community. I could go on forever about the pros and the cons of each type of build. However, I want to show you in person. For a personalized tour of homes available for you, call us today at Homes by Sam and Tanya. We are always here to help you. My name is Tanya Kosmini. I'm with Homes by Sam and Tanya, and we are simplifying real estate.